One of the things I love about Real Broker is their trainings, and I'm gonna share with you in this video Real Academy and show you all of the trainings that we offer. Stay tuned towards the end of the video because I'm going to share with you how you can actually dive in today. Even if you're not with Real Broker right now, you'll be able to dive into the Real Academy trainings today. You heard that right. Even if you're not with Real Broker today, I'm gonna share with you how you could watch one of the live classes. People who are hosting the trainings are actual top producing agents. They actually have to be an elite status within the brokerage. They have to produce a certain amount in order to qualify to even be a host of the trainings. And that's one of the things I really love about it, because the first brokerage that I was with, which no shame to them, but the person who was doing the trainings was the principal broker who wasn't actually practicing real estate. And I did find those trainings to be helpful, like really good for the basics. I feel as though this is very credible that the people who are doing the trainings here at Real Broker are top producing elite agents. And before I share with you my screen, I just want to share that the huge pro with being at this virtual cloud-based brokerage, and when it comes to the training aspect of things, is you're not actually having to physically spend time, money, energy into driving to an office to check out one of the trainings, right? Like, you're not having to clear your calendar, make sure that you can make it happen so that you could be there, sit through, let's say, an hour, 2 hour long training, and also like mingle with the other agents, catch up, and then have to drive back home, maybe hit traffic, etc., etc. Like, it just saves so much time not having to do that. And I'm not having to clear my calendar. Like, yes, you can tune in live. There's a calendar of live events, which I'm gonna share with you, but you can also go back and binge so much training content. A lot of the trainings that I show you, a lot of the topics are the same day, the same time, weekly, bi-weekly, sometimes monthly. So those topics, like, a lot of the times you can go back and binge watch literally week by week all of the previous trainings if you didn't want to wait. Like, let's say there's a training coming up. Let's say, for example, one here is Growth Centric Lead Gen Masterclass. And let's say it's Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern, and today's Tuesday. So you're like, oh man, really want to tune in on this one. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to enroll for the Friday class because it will set you up on your Google Calendar. So it'll send you a reminder, which I feel like is really nice. But if you didn't want to wait and you had some free time today and you wanted to go back and watch the previous week's content, you could do that. So that's really cool. Let me just give you a brief overview of some of the training before I dive in and show you exactly like how you can go on this website, how you can search the different trainings, and just for you to visually see all the different topics and everything that Real Broker has to offer. I'm just gonna share with you some quick info about Real Academy. So they have over 240 courses that the topics cater to every stage of your career. So whether or not you're a brand new real estate agent, or you are an experienced agent, or you are a team leader, there is a course catered to you. There is, every single week, there are 30 live hours of training sessions each week. So I typically see about 4 to 6 live trainings a day that you could tune into. And like, we always need to be learning, right? We always need to be growing. Things are changing. And I feel as though there's no shortage of the trainings on here. They include mastermind discussions, classes, and workshops. I'm about to share with you my screen, but before we keep going, I just want to give you like a quick little introduction. And if you're not interested in this, you already know who I am, then you can just go ahead and skip through about 1 minute and you'll be able to see my screen and see this whole breakdown of Real Academy. So for those of you that are new here, my name is Stevie Hahn. I'm a real estate agent in Northeast Florida, servicing Jacksonville, St. Augustine, Ponte Vedra Beach. I do have a business partner. I've been working with her for 2 years, Carrie Carpenter. This real estate agent that I've partnered up with, she handles all my clients. So she works with my buyers, with my sellers, with my agent referrals, and she takes such good care of my clients. Our partnership that we have is honestly so seamless. It has been amazing. I did the whole team thing, and the way that I have things set up right now is I'm basically a referral agent, and I am loving the structure that we have currently. And my main focus right now is to focus on revenue share with Real Broker. So I am, chatting with agents who are curious about Real Broker. I'm getting on Zoom calls. I have one scheduled right after this video that I'm going to share with you. I'm getting on Zoom calls with agents who want to ask me questions about Real Broker. They want to see my dashboard at Real. They want to see the CRM. They want to know what it's like being at Real for over 2 years. And I'm answering all their questions and learning more about them and their business and how I can help. But so if that's something you're interested in joining Real, you have questions, you need someone there to guide you through this whole process of, maybe you're transitioning brokerages and it's a big deal and you want someone there to help you with all of that, reach out to me. You can send me an email. Share with you the behind the scenes look of Real Academy. I'm gonna share with you the link at the end of this video, and you'll be able to go in on this website and get access to everything that I'm showing you. But if you're not with Real, you can only watch the live trainings. If you are with Real, you can go back and binge all the previous training content. But yeah, like I said, if you're not currently with Real, you can tune in live for the trainings. You can enroll, it'll set you up to your Google Calendar to remind you of the trainings, and you just have to watch live. You wouldn't be able to have access to the replays. Okay, so let's just get right into it. This is the main screen, and you can kind of just see what is new here, and then access to a couple other tools that we have here. But basically, if you want to go search, there's a couple different ways you can do that. So I really just focus on these top tabs. So like I said, we have courses catering to every stage of your career: new agent, experienced agent, top producer teams. So if you're looking for, you're a brand new agent, then maybe I would just start here with new agent, etc., etc. Learning categories, maybe you're looking for something specific, a specific topic, and you'll see all of these listed here: mastermind groups, attraction, business development, niche marketing, online marketing, personal development, skill building, tools and technology, and traditional marketing. So let's say you're searching for something specific, I would probably start here. I'm typically going to the calendar of live events. So you'll see today is February 11th. And there are 4 trainings that are going on today. And you'll be able to see the different topics that are going on every single day and their times, and you're able to enroll. But I just wanted to show you this so that when you go to the link, you kind of already have an idea of how to search things. And like I said, a lot of these are the same day, same time, and you can go back and watch the previous content. So we clicked on one here, Crushing It on YouTube. You can see the course overview, what it's all about, the topics that are going to be covered. You can enroll and register for the next live session, or like I said, watch previous sessions. I think this just gives you a little bit more background and whatnot, but just wanted to show you some of the topics. So this one is every week, trends and tactics with Tim and Ray. They do this every single week, so there's so much content to go back on and watch. But I think it's really interesting because I feel like these topics are so helpful, really beneficial. And let's see, building a referral-based business. That one looks great. Mastermind. Okay, this is the Mastermind one. Instagram for normal people. She does this the same day, same time. Look at these topics that are going to be covered. So good. Let me just show you a few more on here. Facebook, Instagram listing system, how to hire a virtual assistant, Crushing It on YouTube, new construction. What is this? New construction. Increase your sales by 20% plus in this niche market. So I'm going to share with you the link in the description so that you can go and you can search all of these and you can tune in on the live trainings. If you want to hop on a Zoom call and get on a call with me, and I can show you my entire dashboard so that if you're thinking about making a switch, you can kind of get an idea of what our CRM looks like, how to upload transactions, how to get support, how do I access Real Academy. We can talk all things about revenue share because that's what I'm most focused on. And yeah, any questions that you have, let me know. Again, I'll plug my email here. and let me know if I can help. Thanks for watching.